This tutorial goes over how you can create a group discussion in the Canvas LMS. The first thing that we want to do is click on our course. From the navigation pane, click on the discussions link. From here, we want to click on the plus discussion button. For our topic title, let's call this discussion Chapter 1. We'll go ahead and input a description for this discussion. From here, you will see options that you can check for your discussion. So we will allow threaded replies. And let's allow users to post before seeing replies to make sure our responses are unique, and we will put allow liking. Here you can see you can select only graders to like the discussion topics, or this would allow all users to like a topic. So this is going to be a group discussion. So we need to select a group category. So we had already previously created a discussions group category. So we'll click on that. Here we'll set our deadline. So our discussion will start from today and we'll have it end in a week. Okay, if we are happy with all of our selections, we can go ahead and click on the Save and Publish button. And so now we can see that our discussion has been created for each of the groups, and each of the groups has their own conversation for this topic.